Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Catholic moms are terrible at being present. It's a strong claim, but here's what I want to say. I think that in our deep desire to serve, and if you were raised Catholic or you're a Catholic convert, you receive this message that serving others is really important. And I think in an attempt to serve all of the people around us, we get kind of tunnel vision for the work. We see the to-do list, and we made the to-do list from a good place of wanting to serve the people around us. But then we put our head down and we start kind of going through all of it without necessarily seeing what's happening around us. And I'm super guilty of this. I really like to be productive. I like to be productive in the house and with schooling the kids and in my business. And it's just so easy for my brain to think about work and service and being productive that I don't always see the moments where I can have connection and be more present with my kids, with my husband, and even with myself. Sometimes I find that I'm so locked up in a working mode, whether that's in my business or outside of my business, that I'm not deeply connected with myself or with the people that are in the room that I'm in. And so I want to show you why. I want you to see that it is a good thing that you are a woman that wants to serve the people around you. And that is a wonderful kind of Catholic virtue to embody. But the devil, he takes good things and he twists them. And if he can get you overly focused on serving and working without being present, then you're going to miss so many opportunities to be God's hands in the world, to share the love of Christ with the people around you, including yourself. And one of the ways that you're going to know if you're doing this is if you don't have peace. If you don't have peace while you're going about your day, chewing through that to-do list, then you're probably lacking presence. You're probably not being really present with the thing that you're doing or the person that you're with. And that is what we're talking about all quarter long in Masters. And Larissa's going to teach a class on Monday about this, about how to be present, how to have carefree timelessness. And she is actually much better at this than I am. She has 7 kids and they're in school and they're in sports. And still, she is able to slow down time and really connect with her kids, even though probably her calendar looks more full than my calendar. And so I want to invite you, if you are not part of Masters, to consider joining, particularly for this class, because Larissa has a real gift of bringing the Lord to life and sharing the love that Christ has with other people. And that's why we chose her to be the one to teach this class, because she will make you believe that this is the key and that you are never too busy to be able to do this. And again, sometimes we just need to learn how to be present with ourselves. Hey, love, what do you need? Oh, I haven't had water in a few hours. Actually, I have to go to the bathroom and I've been holding it for a while. Actually, I need to stand up and stretch or walk around the block, right? Being really present with yourself. And she will also teach you how to be present with your kids, how to just get down on an eye-to-eye level and just have small moments with them. And that you don't need to disrupt your entire day. You don't need to let your to-do list fall by the wayside, not get done, to have these special moments with your kids and with your family. And so just today, I want you to notice when you lose your peace and ask yourself, what do I need to be more present with? Do I need to be more present with myself right now? Do I need to be more present to the people in this room, do they need something that's more timely than the thing I wanted to do? Is God moving your heart? Is the Holy Spirit inside of you kind of nudging you to say, hey, slow down. I need you to give this kiddo something right now. I want you to pay attention to that today. And then if you feel called, sign up for Masters for this class. She's going to be teaching it on Monday, and it's going to be very powerful. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.